Alright, taking a look at each cylinder, getting a recording. That's 1, that's 2, a little bit of oil. That's 3, focus, 4, that's clean, 5, cleanish, 6, hard to get the light back there. Anyway, well, Dad, there's all your coils, straighten a line from 1 to 6, all the way in the back. Plugs are still in it. I'll change out the plugs and I'll even save them. Yeah, not too bad of a job to tear this apart and do this. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, if this will focus, that is a brand new plug. The electrode. Let's set that down. Now, this is cylinder 5. Yeah, that's a hell of a gap. And that electrode is almost nothing. That's 5. That's 6. No wonder she was running like shit. Well, I'll save the rest, but I have a feeling the rest of the spark plugs are going to look like these. And these all say AC Delco. I think that's 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 5, or maybe 2, 5, 6, something or another. Here's another one, 4198 1. So that's the first 2. And I'm going 1 for 1 so I don't drop anything down in the cylinder hole. So 1 plug out, 1 plug in, then I put the coil in and move back to plug out, plug in, coil in. So I'm getting ready to install plug 5 in hopes out you're helping me. Yeah. What do you think, Hope? No, Daddy's hands are dirty. Yeah. Talk to you later, Dad. Bye. Just in case you were wondering, Dad, this is a ignition coil for these motors. That's all you're going to see from the top. That's where the spark plug goes. Bring you in here. So I got 5 through 2 done. Oh, I gotta put the security tab on the 2. I worked all the way back to front. Every spark plug looked fouled out. Every spark plug. I'll show you those here in another video. But I'm almost done, and I'm coming up around an hour out here. So I'll have this done here in about another 10 minutes. Then put it back together and take it for a ride. And that's about it. Later. Alrighty. Fired up. Nice and smooth. Nothing shaking so far. No check engine light. All right. Take her for a spin. All right. They're all done. That's 6 and 5. 6 is on the right, or 6, 5, 4. 3 was kind of oily. The electrode 2. The electrode and 1. So not only did the gap somehow change on these, but the electrode burnt down. So I'm guessing they all say AC Delco. I'm guessing these are the factory plugs.